Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video of my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to validate mobile phone numbers of Alaska State in bulk using allstateslookup.com. First of all, you need to log into your account by going to Login page. Once you logged in, you can see different tools as we need to validate phone numbers in bulk. So I'm going to click on Validation feature from Dashboard. On this page, you have to select Alaska State and mobile as type of number. Then you have to paste your list here in this box. So as we pasted our data in the box, now we need to click on Validate button. Bingo! Results are being fetched, and it will only show you active and selected type phone numbers. As for now, we selected mobile numbers, so it will only show mobile numbers here. This is how you can validate bulk numbers in few clicks without any API credit.